Hello beautifuls, welcome to your channel, Glam Girl. Rice is a popular ingredient in Korean skincare for its brightening and soothing properties. Here's a modified Korean skincare routine incorporating rice. Rice water cleansing. Use rice water as a gentle cleansing option. You can either soak rice in water and use the strained water, or choose a cleanser containing rice extract. Exfoliation with rice scrub. Create a homemade rice scrub by blending rice grains into a powder and mixing it with a bit of water or yogurt. Use this as a gentle exfoliator 1 to 2 times a week. Rice toner. Apply a toner infused with rice extract to balance the skin's pH and promote a radiant complexion. Rice essence or serum. Incorporate an essence or serum with rice bran extract to enhance hydration and brighten the skin. Rice sheet mask. Use a sheet mask containing rice extract for added nourishment. This can be done 1 to 2 times a week. DIY rice water steam. Boil rice and use the steam to open up your pores. Lean over the pot with a towel over your head to let the steam reach your face. Rice water eye cream. Apply an eye cream that includes rice water or rice bran extract to address specific eye area concerns. Rice moisturizer. Choose a moisturizer with rice-based ingredients to lock in moisture and promote a supple complexion. Sunscreen. Finish your morning routine with a sunscreen to protect your skin from UV rays. Remember to patch test new products and ingredients to ensure they suit your skin. This rice-focused routine aims to leverage the brightening and soothing benefits of rice in your skincare regimen. Please subscribe.